Jungle chess, also called animal chess. How to play. The object of the game is to move any one of your animals into your opponent's den, which can also be called their base. Lay out the board, and each player picks a color and places their animal pieces on their matching start positions on their side of the board. Pick one player to go first, then turns alternate. On your turn, you must move one piece, then your opponent goes. All pieces move one square in any direction except diagonally. Pieces may not jump over other pieces nor share the same space. Each animal has a different power ranking, from mouse at rank 1 to elephant at rank 8. Pieces may capture all other pieces of equal or lower rank by moving and landing onto that piece, except an elephant may not capture a mouse, while the mouse may capture the elephant. Also, you are allowed to capture your opponent's piece that is higher in rank if that piece is on one of your traps on your side of the board. Captured pieces are removed from the board and may not be used for the remainder of the game. The mouse is the only animal that is allowed to move onto a water space. Some boards break up the water spaces into multiple spaces while others do not. For the purpose of this video, I will be counting the water as 2 spaces. A mouse may not capture from water to land or from land to water. A mouse may capture another mouse if they are both in the water. Both the lion and the tiger may jump over the water horizontally or vertically, capturing any piece that might be there. They may not jump, however, if there is any player's mouse in the way. You may not move any of your own pieces into your own den. The first player to move one of their animals into their opponent's den wins.